Guys, so in this video I'm going to explain how to do the automations. Like, you have created landing page, the person has subscribed to your email list, and now your client want them to send messages regularly, or they want to send welcome sequence or any kind of sequence your client might have, so that they can receive emails from your client on a regular basis, right, without doing manual things. So in that case we do the automations. So since the ConvertKit does not allow in the free plan, so that I have switched to Mailerlite so that I can explain everything to you. So now in total I have explained three tools to you, that the Mailerlite, Mailchimp and ConvertKit. Okay, so it is quite easy for you to understand that how it works. So similarly, like we are doing automations here, we are going to, this is the process same which happens in ConvertKit as well. So it is quite easy, okay, for you to understand. So let's create a form so that we can explain the automations. Now I'm not gonna talk about designing and everything, and I'm not gonna do the editing and all those things, because we have discussed earlier that as well. So it is similar in all the software, so we don't have to repeat the similar step over and again. I'm just gonna create a quick form right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and create it. New form, new demo form. Okay, it is getting created. And I have created this Mailerlite account, a brand new account, so that I can explain you the automations. So yeah, so okay, that's all. Let's continue. It will take some time, guys, to load up, so be patient with that. So this is a drag and drop builder, so you can change the design accordingly. So let's keep it like that. I'm not going to do that. So yes. So now once we completed the design, once we do all the things, now we have our form ready with us. Now we have to create the automations. Okay, send up the emails on a regular basis. Now how we can going to do that is, okay, let it first load. So yeah, the designing is done, it's done. Now after that, just jump into the automations. Similarly, you will jump into the automations in the ConvertKit as well. Okay, now when we will go to the automations, we will create a workflow. Like, go ahead and read this. Do you like the idea of more engagement with less work on your part? Set up workflows with ease and automatically send emails based on your subscribers' action. Automate welcome emails, anniversaries, birthdays, and more. Use link triggers to activate email workflows. Tag, guide your customers, sell more products. So you get the idea now. Now create a workflow. So here we have to set up the welcome trigger. Now the welcome trigger here is when subscriber completes a form, right? Now select a form. Here we have only one form, so save. Now it's done. Okay, when subscriber completes this form, they will start receiving the emails. Now this is the plus sign where we have to add the step, so click over it. Now you can send the email immediately. I want to send the email immediately, so I'm gonna choose this one. Now define email content, so just go ahead and type the subject like open to receive your free gift. Okay, so if your client have Google Analytics, they can link it as it's done. Now save. Also we have to design the email, so just click over here. You can do that from here as well. Design email. So now go ahead and start designing your email. That is your subject body, like your email copy. Okay. So now you can choose the templates from here as well. Right now it is not available in the free plan, so obviously we have to go ahead and select the rich text editor. So go ahead and start adding your copy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that. So okay, hey, you can select it or change the things from here as well. Hey, thank you for subscribing to the to the email list. Here is the free gift for you, and here you will attach the link. Okay, so this is how it's done. Attach the email copy here, and then just do that. After done rating, click over that button, and after that you will get to see that this step has been added to the workflow. Okay, I will show you. So now you can see it's done over here. Now it's done over here, right? So now once a person will subscribe to it, they will immediately receive this email. Now we have to create the next step. The next step, what I do for my business is to create a delay. Now you can create 1 day delay, or like week, month, hour, completely depends upon your client or a specific time. So I'm just selecting 1 day of delay and I hit save. After waiting 1 day, I'm gonna create the next action plan, next action step. Okay, so again I will create my email where I will introduce about my product or service or whatever the client want to do. So just go ahead and hit does does it resonate with you. I'm just giving you an example. Now design email, choose. Okay, it's become unresponsive. Now it's good. Okay, so hey, do you pitch all day on Upwork and still don't have any clients? I feel you. Here are some tips you can do today to get clients as soon as possible. And now you're going to give the steps or blah blah blah, whatever it is. Okay, so just I'm giving you some example over here. Now once it's done, go ahead and hit done rating. It will take some time. So yeah. So yeah, that's done. Now again, if you have to hit the next step, for example, if you want to turn some condition or if you want to have some action, like action could be like move to a group, remove from group, mark, move to another step. You can do that according to what your client wants. I'm just explaining you here a basic or the step that I do to create the welcome sequences. Okay, So again you will go ahead and you will create the delay of like 2 days. Save. Again I will go ahead and I will create email, 24 hours left, blah blah blah, whatever it is. Okay, so now this is how it's done and this is how work flow is done. Okay, so now your full report, once you are done you can go ahead and you can see the full report, that how it is performing and everything else. So this is where you can see your automations. So go to the automations and then you can see that how it's done. Now it is showing that workflow has incomplete step. So let's see that what is our incomplete step. Mm, workflow can't be started. Okay, is it saying to designing the email? Let's see. I'm glad that such kind of mistakes happen when we work, so that you understand that how to resolve them. Okay, so if you're making mistakes, that's fine, because it is giving you an opportunity that how you can see and how you can resolve that mistake. So yeah, that's fine. And it happens a whole lot of in when you're using a whole lot of softwares. Like when I was working with a uh, agency owner, I have worked with her for like 7 to 8 months, and she used to throw every day a new software. So this is how I have learned, like going to the help and checking out all the FAQs, now talking to the support and doing the stuffs, watching YouTube as well. So yeah, that's fine. So now here I'm gonna type the text. So hey, whatever it is, click the link now to get ABC codes, whatever. Done editing. It will take some time to guys to load it, I guess. Either my internet is slow, and also my um, laptop is doing some backend work, so that's why I guess it is doing. So then now you can see that it is not showing any mistake, that means it's completed. Now back to automation list. So now you can see there is no mistakes over here. Okay, so it is important that you complete all those required things. So now this is how it's done, and this is how you create automations in other softwares as well. Once any person fills up the form, they will start receiving the emails that we just set up. Okay, so yeah, this is all for the day. This is how it works, and I hope it helps. If you have any other questions about any other section, go ahead, ask in the group, and we will help you up. So yeah, that's all for the day, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.